This is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to a hidden network on your Nintendo Switch. So if it's not showing up, you can manually enter it in. So just on the home screen here, let's go on down to System Settings and then scroll on down, and we want to go to Internet and select it and go to Internet Settings. Then once it searches for the network, we'll want to go on down to where it says Manual Setup. So maybe you have the registered network on top. We want to scroll on down to Networks Found. This is the section that we can see all available Wi-Fi signals. We can also press the Y button on the remote. It'll search for networks again manually here. So if we went from one room to the next, we are going to have more options for more Wi-Fi. So if we cannot find the network under here after searching for it, we can go on down to Manual Setup. And if we know all the information, we can simply just type it in here, the SSID. Just type the name of that in there. Then for the security pin, type that in. IP address, you can set to automatic or DNS settings automatic. MTU, fine. And then we can go on down to connect to hidden network. You can make sure this is turned on. Then once you type in everything, just go on over to save. And hopefully you entered everything in correctly, and then you should be able to connect to it. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.